Okay, we're looking at page 408, 6.7, the activity on dilations. And on a piece of graph paper, you're to construct a similar triangle. And you start by drawing a triangle, and then you draw some rays from the origin. And those rays have to start at the origin and go through the vertices. Okay, then they want you to measure, get this out of the way, measure this distance between OA and using your compass, you're going to put the point end at O and your pencil end at A to get the distance between the two. Then you're going to put your point end at A and draw an arc out here, the same length as OA. And you're going to do the same thing for OB. You're going to measure that distance, and then you're going to put another arc out here. And then the same thing for OC. And you can call this A prime and B prime and C prime, and then you're going to connect and draw your triangle out here just as they've shown. Okay? It says use a compass to mark point D so that it's exactly equal to OA, so you can find that distance. You could also put your pointy end of your of your compass on the A and put the pencil end on the O, and then just turn it around and draw your arc on that ray that you've made. Okay? And then you're going to connect your dots. And it says measure AB and BC. Now they're asking you to measure those two because it's real easy to see the distances here. Let's look at this one right here. Okay, you can measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what's the ratio of AB to DE? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make your ratio. And then measure it BC and EF and make your ratio. Now, in order to make a triangle, or to show two triangles are similar, it says use this information to show that the two triangles are similar. There are lots of ways that you can work at doing this. You can point out that B and E are equal angles, so you can prove it by side angle side. Or you could find the distance of E, DF, and AC and then make a new ratio there and do it by side, side, side. Okay? Now, the next part is a part, it's not hard to do, but basically what you did here is you doubled the length of this side by doubling how far it was from the origin. Okay, the next one says repeat the steps to explore the construction, in the Explorer, to construct GHJ so that 3 times OA equals AG. So they want you to go ahead and extend this out 3 times and make your first one here. And of course you're going to need a big enough piece of graph paper to do that.